Shindaga is renowned for its traditional Emirati architecture. The district features a variety of historic buildings. Shindaga is easily accessible via the Dubai Metro. The nearest metro station is Al Gubaiba, located on the Green Line. From Al Gubaiba metro station, visitors can reach Shindaga by a short walk, making it convenient for tourists and residents alike. In addition to the metro, the district is well served by a network of roads and public transportation options, including buses and taxis. The Shindaga Tunnel, which connects Dubai to Dera, enhances the accessibility of the area, facilitating easy movement across Dubai Creek. Let's talk about the architecture of this place. This place is renowned for its traditional Emirati architecture. Wind towers, known as barjeel, these traditional cooling systems are a hallmark of Gulf architecture. The wind towers capture the wind and direct it into the buildings, providing natural ventilation. You can also find out the coral stone buildings. Many of the buildings in Shindaga are constructed using coral stone and gypsum, materials commonly used in the past due to their durability and insulating properties. Majlis, and courtyards. The traditional houses often include a majlis, a room for receiving guests, and central courtyards, which serve as private, open-air spaces for families. In the modern development, the district is designed to transform into a vibrant cultural and lifestyle destination. Featuring shopping, dining, and entertainment options, while preserving the historical essence of the area. In Al Shindaga district, there is an old house of Sheikh Saeed Al Maktoum. Sheikh Saeed Al Maktoum was the ruler of Dubai from 1912 to 1958. He played a crucial role in modernizing Dubai, fostering economic growth and establishing it as a major trading hub. Sheikh Rashid, son of Sheikh Saeed Al Maktoum, continued his father's vision and played a crucial role in transforming Dubai into the global city it is today. The Sheikh Saeed Al Maktoum House in Al Shindaga, now a museum, reflects his era's architectural and cultural heritage. His leadership laid the foundation for Dubai's transformation into a global city. This house, built in 1896, is a prime example of traditional architecture. With its high ceilings, wooden doors, and intricately carved windows, it reflects the architectural style of the era and has been meticulously preserved as a museum. The museum complex includes various sections, such as the Perfume House, Traditional Craft Museum, and the Dubai Creek, Birth of a City exhibit, each offering insights into different aspects of Dubai's heritage. The Heritage Village showcases traditional crafts, pearl diving exhibits, and demonstrations of Emirati customs and lifestyle. It provides an immersive cultural experience for visitors. The creek remains a bustling waterway, offering traditional dhow cruises that provide scenic views of both old and new Dubai. The creek's importance as a historical trade route is highlighted in various exhibits. Most oftenly, the restoration projects have been carried out to maintain the authenticity of Al Shindaga's historical architecture. The Dubai government has invested in preserving the wind towers, coral stone structures, and traditional wooden elements to ensure the district retains its historical charm. Al-Shindaga hosts cultural events and festivals that celebrate Emirati heritage, including National Day celebrations and traditional music and dance performances. These events are integral to preserving and promoting the cultural identity of the UAE. The museums and cultural centers in Al-Shindaga provide educational insights into Dubai's past. Making the district an important resource for both residents and tourists interested in learning about the city's history.